Everybody, this is Paul Odd. I've partnered with Summit Edge Realty. I do not represent the Heart of Kentucky Association of Realtors, their MLS, or anyone else. I only represent me. This week's Nerd Update is going to cover from March 10th through March 16th. Again, going from Monday through that next Sunday. Let's go to the computer and check out those numbers.
Okay, so let's look at the numbers here. New listings last week is higher than any week we've had since last July of 2024. Higher than any of the last 4 years, and it's possible indication of a spring thaw in the market, right? And we see similar items when we go to total inventory. Represents about 4 months of inventory. Pretty normal for this week of the year, but it is the highest inventory so far this year. Next, we have under contract. When we look at under contract, the total pending is still weaker than any of the last 4 years. And when you look at the ones that are under contract within 7 days, 2 weeks ago, it was about 30%. Last week, it went down to 22%. Look at the closed, though. Well, 4 weeks ago, we had 37 pending, and we closed 42 last week. So most of the deals seem to have gone through, and we pulled in some extra closings, either closed early or closed late, maybe the ones from last week that weren't closing. Price reductions still continues to be higher than the last 4 years, substantially higher than the week before. So with inventory growing and listings longer than 7 days increasing, I expected this price reductions to grow in the coming weeks and months. Days on market, higher than most of the last 4 years. Again, I looked at the data. Anytime we have a significant spike in this, I'm wondering what has influenced it. And it's not like every property was just super high, but there were multiple ones that are high. I do use a median calculation for this. Again, I just want to remind you, I'm measuring the days from listing to pending, and I'm counting it on the week that the sale closes. And I will say that this is fairly in line with some nearby areas. We have been about half of some nearby areas the last few weeks, and we're getting closer to in line there. Interest rates, a little increase this week. Freddie Mac summers it as essentially flat, and it's higher than the previous 4 years as well. For the median home prices, right, we're still showing the settling out trend. I don't have any new data on this because it's not the end of the month, but I am expecting this trend to continue. House prices cannot continue up forever. Either there has to be a big correction in the market, which none of us are looking for, or prices just need to settle out. That's all for this week. I hope you have a good week. Look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.